As I said, this bike, it's the Miami from NCM bike sent by Leon Cycle. First of all, I love the quality of this bike. This made bike is perfect. Even the saddle, even if it's fake leather, it seems very high quality. Tires too. You can find leather on the handle too. All you need to do and to mount the bike is provided in this little box with the pedal. You have the user manual, the charger for the battery, and also all the tools you need to mount the bike. The saddle is already attached to the bike. All you need to do is to configure the eye matching your legs. The brakes are already configured. You just need to screw the pedal and the handlebar. Even the front wheel is here, and you just need to align with the front wheel. Let's start with the handlebar. So you don't want this part to move. So first of all you need to do is to screw it and to be sure that it's gonna match the way you want to ride your bike. What I do like too is that all the required tools are being provided. You just need to find the right key to fix and to screw things, but you don't have to look for it, and if you don't have it. So you have two parts to mount here. The best move is to first rotate the handle using the screw and be sure that it's not going to move while you're riding. And then you use the other key just to fix it to the rest of the bike. Let's move to the front light. All you need to do again is to align with the front wheel. It's powered by small batteries, a replaceable one, and it's not connected to the main battery in case of safety. If you don't have any battery anymore on your bike, you still need lights to be sure to be seen in the dark. For the pedal, it's really easy, and you have two stickers on each one saying which is the left or the right pedal, so all you need to do is to pick the right one and screw it to the bike. First one down, let's move to the right one. The operation is the same here. Let's check if we have enough battery. Perfect. Now we just have to turn on the bike using this remote by pressing power. And voila! I've just mounted this MIAMI bike. It took me about 6 or 7 minutes to mount it. And now it's the time to see it in action. Thank you at Leon Cycle for selling me this bike, and thank you my community for making this kind of thing possible. I will give you more feedback about the bike and how I feel riding it, the real autonomy and the range it has within next week. So be sure to follow me here on YouTube, subscribe, click on the bell, and leave a comment if you have any questions, so I will answer it in the next video. Stay tuned.